ya mathomo ne le Stella, and then ba khotla trio ena le OC wa Uber. Ke smoke screen kaofela ntho ena, distraction for dintho tse etsagalang mo South Africa maybe. Tšhomi ya gagwe ba mo apesitse leiri, ke humiliation ritual e easy, ke nagana yalo. La gopola le the baby ne ba mo kentse leiri. Shaba menwana. And then mona ba entse ntho ele ya ma-twins. Leopard print, checkered board le leleme. Leopard print, checkered board le leleme. Sheba label ena. Ena le lengelo la di-wings tse black. Ya ka Travis Scott le Billie Eilish. Lengelo la di-wings tse black. At some point tshwantse o etse blonde hair. Ya ka Lebo Mathosa le ba bang.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Moraledia is a TikTok prophet, you guys. She usually does these prophecies or visions that she sees in the spirit, and this time she decided to do a video on what has been going on in the month of July and August. We do know that the king of KZN was trending last month. She started off by doing that video of him saying, of course, he too is from that kingdom of darkness, and what's currently trending right now is, of course, Limpopo Boy. He has been trending because of the viral video with Umatsidi Show, you guys, which has been shared all over across social media. I don't think I've ever seen somebody trend for a whole few weeks because of the video. So she claims that he's going through what we call a humiliation ritual. Ooh, Limpopo Boy is definitely going through a humiliation ritual. She also speaks about the blonde hair that he is currently wearing. He says that is definitely a sign of that entity, the kingdom of darkness entity, you guys. Now, people who know these kind of things have been pretty much saying that it is a humiliation ritual. This is not the first video that I saw on TikTok. It is a humiliation ritual, they're saying, and they're saying that his life is going to change dramatically because he has passed a certain phase. They claim that he's going to be like super wealthy. His career is going to boom more than ever before. What do you guys think about this whole situation, guys? Please, you can get your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and like this video, and to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.